The nation will be watching as tomorrow's confirmation hearings for Supreme Court nominee Amy Coney Barrett will get underway. Just moments ago, Barrett sent out her opening statement to the Senate Judiciary Committee. Here is part of what she said. I am honored and humbled to appear before you as a nominee for Associate Justice of the Supreme Court. I thank the President for entrusting me with this profound responsibility, as well as for the graciousness that he and the First Lady have shown my family throughout this process. If confirmed, it would be the honor of a lifetime to serve alongside the Chief Justice and 7 Associate Justices. I admire them all and would consider each a valued colleague, and I might bring a new perspective to the bench. Amy Coney Barrett's nomination has caused division among top lawmakers because they want to wait until after the election to replace the seat that was left by the late Ruth Bader Ginsburg. However, Republicans are still pushing through with the nomination process. Judge Amy Coney Barrett will face questions starting Monday, likely concerning her views on hot-button issues the Supreme Court could feasibly face, including Roe v. Wade and the fate of the Affordable Care Act. Politicians from both sides of the aisle have been debating the timing of potentially placing her on the ballot since she was named as President Trump's selection for the high court just days after the death of Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Republicans are arguing she's a strict constitutionalist, and it's the president's job to replace a justice when the president's party also controls the Senate. But Democrats oppose that view, arguing Republicans stopped Merrick Garland's appointment in 2016 when they argued to wait until after the election. Senators were on the Sunday morning political talk shows making their cases on the Barrett nomination fight.
2 Republican senators have said they're not going to participate in this farce. If 2 more join them, then it's game over.
There have also been calls to delay the nomination because members of the Senate Judiciary Committee have received positive tests for COVID-19.
I think they are looking for anything to delay things even a day or 2 or 3. And I think that Senate Republicans will follow the guidance, the medical guidance of the Capitol physician.
A lot of focus will be on how Barrett is questioned by members of Congress. The most recent Supreme Court battle over Brett Kavanaugh's appointment turned into a partisan fight in Congress, with Kavanaugh just getting enough votes to be put on the bench. We spoke with David Schwam Barrett, who teaches political science at the University of North Florida. He says expect these hearings to illustrate a lot of political divides in the country.
The outcome is probably already known, and it's also the subject of tremendous polarization, and it's also going to bring out a lot of the underlying questions of the political establishment.
There are also questions of what will happen after the election if Barrett is confirmed. Republicans have been claiming Democratic candidate Joe Biden will pack the court if he's elected, essentially expanding its size beyond 9 justices. That is their claim. So News4JAX will be covering the confirmation hearings as they happen. Our live coverage begins at 9 a.m. on Monday. You can follow all the developments on air and on news4jax.com.